Angela, and today I would like to give you a couple of tips and show you how to put 3D self-adhesive tile stickers. So as you can see, there are my design, and you might be able to see that they're 3D ones. There you go. They're slightly different than the vinyl one. So they were the vinyl ones. You might see me putting them on a wall on the other video on a DIYkitchenrevamp.com. They're much easier to do, and they usually cut up to the sizes of your tile. Well, we're not doing them today. We've got a more difficult job to do. And so, as I said, they're gel ones, and as you can see, my pattern is quite different. So they're little hexagons. So I've got the bottom, like a little teeth gaps here, and the size as well. So I wanted to show you and give you a couple of tips how to put them on the side and in a corner. You might be tempted to do it in an easy way, which is overlapping the corner. Please don't. They don't really look natural then. So if you do it that way, yeah, it's easy. You don't have to cut anything, but they might start peeling away on the corners. You're never going to be able to put them so tight in the corner. So what I find it easy is just to measure them and cut them. So as I said, my design is not that straightforward, so I need to cut them to the size. So for that, I've got a cutting mat in here. I've got some cutting knives, just the ones that you use for the wallpapers, for example, and the big ruler. So you might feel tempted as well to do it with the scissors. I don't trust myself to do that straight. So I'm going to use the ruler just to guide me. So I put them on the side as well. So as I said, with my design, I need to get the bottom straight. So you might see, I might just to put you on a close up so you see it better. There you go. So I need to straighten the bottom, and I need to straighten the sides as well. So what I'm going to do is just to get the ruler straight. There you go, with my cutting knife, and just to cut them. As I said, I just put a bit of pressure on the ruler so it keeps straight. Because the gel ones, they need a couple of times to go through them, and then you end up with having little bits left. I do keep the bits just in case I need them on the top, for example. As you can see, mine should overlap. So if I end up having that on the top, I need to fill the gaps. So instead of using a full clean sheet, I just put the little bits on the top. And I'll do exactly the same for the side. As you can see, I'm not really moving the cutting board and the ruler, it's just the tile sticker which moves. And again, it needs a couple of times because the gel ones, so they're slightly thicker than the vinyl one. On the beginning, I felt tempted as well just to put them on a wall and then just go through the gap in between and cut them. With the vinyl ones, it was really easy because they're really thin. With those, it's not so easy, so I end up doing a bit of that and then end up with not really straight design. And so I cut some of those to the size, and before I start putting anything on, just wanted to make sure that I say that again and again and again. Make sure that your tile stickers are properly clean. I know you might be thinking, oh yeah, I just give them a wipe. No, please clean them really, really good. Because you might not see, but there's loads of grease on them. At the end of the day, it's a kitchen, so you cook here, there is bits of dust as well, and I've got a pet, which you might see on the other videos, and his hair and everything else goes on the tiles as well. So yeah, it might be easy just to put them on, give them a wipe and put them on, and you think, yeah, I did a great job, but on the long run, then you might end up having some of those peel and everything, or have bubbles underneath and stuff like that, so it's just not worth it. It's easy just to spend a bit of time and then put them on. So I try to peel them. My nails are not helping with that, so I just use the knife. There you go. And don't feel tempted also just to put that right to the bottom of the tiles. It wouldn't look natural natural, obviously you will have a bit of gap like on the bottom. You can, if the gap is not straight, you can always feel it with the silicone or something like that, so it's just easier. And then I'll try to do it so you can see. So I straight my design. I'm not putting that right on the wall, not yet. There you go, so slightly touch, and then I'll use something flat, so I can flat that, going from the bottom, and then to the sides as well. And I can see that I already got a little bit of bubble there, so slightly peel that off, and there you go, so I corrected that straight away. So this is my first one. Next one is going to be easier. I'll put you slightly higher so you can see as well. I got mine cut to the sizes anyway. And then, as I said, there is bits that might should overlap. So we'll go like that. And probably you can see that on the top I will have the little bits that are meant to overlap with another one. So that's why I'm going to use the bits that I cut off and just fill the gaps. So that one is cut to the size as well. So let me do that. And then you basically carry on into the corner. I already seen that mine will take 2 and a bit of the sheet, so let me just put the top on as well. I'm slightly touching that, and then guiding with the finger just to make sure that this size is well as well. And again, just to flat that one. There you go. In the bits that just sticking out, you just go around it, and it just attach it properly there. And as I said, I know mine all takes 2 and a bit. So again, with this one, I cut the bottom so it's straight, and then again it will overlap, and then I will need a little piece on the end. So let me just put that one on, and then we'll see how much I need on the bottom. And again, this is the little piece, is something that I had left from the other side of the kitchen. So I keep a little bag with all the offcuts and stuff. You never know, you might use it. At the end of the day, if I don't, I can just throw it away. But if I need some, I don't have to waste a clean sheet. I'll just do that with the offcuts. So again, overlapping that properly. You still got some chance to maneuver that. I find with those that it's easy to do with the dry method. I showed on a blog that you can do it 2 methods, so you can do the dry one and a wet one. With those, the glue is not so good to do it on the wet side, so I do it the dry method on those. There you go, and again, left a bit of gap on the bottom, you can always be finished with the filler. And then I'll see, so this is going to be my bottom. I need to cut that one. Let's see, just to make sure. So I need to cut that half way through. And as I said, it needs a couple of times to go over just to make sure. And again, if you don't feel comfortable to iron, you can always use the ruler just to measure how much you need. I did the other side of my kitchen before, so I know that I can easily just iron, so I know how the pattern should go, and then just checking. So I'm not peeling that off yet. I'll cut a little bit that I think will be enough to fit there, and then just to see is that correct amount, or do I need to cut a little bit more. Again, with the inner corner, you wanted to leave a little bit of gap in the middle, so when your grout will go, so it just looks like a natural one. Slightly bit more. It's just easy with the ruler to guide me. There you go. That should be enough. Again, a little bit more. It's easy just to cut that one off or to cut too much from the beginning. There you go. Let's hope, finger crossed, this time will be enough. Yeah, there you go. So that will be the bit. And then let's attach. There you go. And my flat bit just to flatten that off. So there you go. I'll finish that off myself, let you go. And good luck with your design, and if you've got any more questions or you want to see some more of any of those or around the sockets or how to put the vinyl tile stickers, please visit DIYkitchenrebound.com. Bye, good luck!